Wow, food! I want to go first. Waiting is boring.
Please wait here.
I know where tables are.
Miss, one moment, please.
I'm just looking.
We were waiting.
I'll be quick.
Please wait your turn.
But I saw an empty table.
Please sit carefully.
I like this seat.
One moment, please.
I'm already sitting.
Feet stay down, please.
But I'm comfy.
Tables are for food.
I'm just relaxing.
Here is your menu.
Give it here.
You're welcome.
I'm choosing fast.
The menu is upside down.
I knew that.
You can turn it around.
I like it this way. I want fries now.
Would you like to see the menu first?
No, fries are enough.
Okay, I'll note that.
I can't wait anymore. I'm super hungry. She is very loud. Everyone can hear me. Where is my food? This is taking forever.
That tapping is annoying.
I'm making music. Look how many napkins. This is fun.
Please use only what you need.
There are plenty more. It looks like snow. Watch this.
She should not do that.
It's only a little salt. This bottle is funny. Look at it spin.
That is not a toy.
Everything can be a toy. Oops. Where did that come from?
Please be careful.
It was an accident.
That is funny.
Look at that little blob.
That isn't funny.
I think it is.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
Please keep the table clean.
Of course.
Careful.
I got it.
Slow down.
I'm really thirsty. Uh-oh.
The water spilled.
It's just a little.
Please use a napkin.
Use one napkin, please.
I need all of them.
Slowly, slowly.
I'm cleaning fast. There, all clean.
Please don't push them there.
It looks clean to me.
That is still messy. Here is your food.
Finally!
Careful, it is hot.
I can eat it now.
Please wait a second.
But fries are ready.
Let me place the plate.
I already got some. Hot, hot, hot!
Small bites are better.
I can cool them fast.
Take your time.
These fries are so good.
Please chew first.
I can talk and eat.
That is not polite.
Now the burger!
Small bites, please.
This bite is not small.
I can see that. That chewing is loud.
It is a crunchy burger.
Please chew quietly.
I'm trying, maybe.
Crumbs are falling.
Where?
Right in front of you.
Oh, tiny crumbs.
Napkins are right there.
My sweater is closer. Oh no, it's just a small stain. I want more fries.
Please eat slowly.
But they are mine.
Good manners first.
I'm so thirsty.
Careful with the glass.
I can drink fast.
Slow sips are better. Here is the bill.
Are we done now?
Yes, please take your time. Have a nice day.
Bye.
The table is still messy.
Someone will clean it. I will use good manners. First, I should enter calmly.
Welcome. How can I help you?
Hello, may I have a table, please?
Of course.
I can wait my turn.
Thank you for waiting.
You're welcome.
Please follow me.
Okay, thank you.
This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you.
You may sit here.
One napkin is enough.
That is very polite.
It keeps my clothes clean.
Here is your menu.
Thank you.
Take your time.
I will choose carefully.
No rush.
Thank you. May I have fries and a burger, please?
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Now I will wait.
Waiting quietly is polite. These are not toys. I will keep my hands still.
Here is your water.
Thank you for the water.
You're very welcome.
I will be careful. Small sips are better. No spills today. One napkin is enough.
Nice manners.
Thank you.
Here is your food.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
I will wait first.
That is very polite.
Thank you. I will take a small bite. This is yummy. I chew with my mouth closed.
Great table manners.
Thank you. I will use just a little. Ketchup stays on the plate.
Everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Great.
I will take a small bite. This is tasty. I'll put it back neatly.
Nice and clean.
Thank you. Napkins are for my hands.
Good choice.
My sweater stays clean. I sit nicely. Elbows off the table.
How is your food?
It is very good, thank you.
I'm glad.
Excuse me?
Yes?
May I have more water, please?
Of course.
Thank you for helping me.
You have wonderful manners.
I'm trying my best. I finished neatly. A clean table is good manners.
Here is the bill.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I should leave it clean.
That is very kind.
Restaurants are for everyone. I will stand up carefully.
Great manners, Emma.
Thank you. Thank you for the food.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Did you learn good manners today? Please subscribe for more fun videos. Tell me your city in the comments.